Have a look at this. Just have a look at this. Look. Wow, 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 wow. Totally fall off the bone lamb, cooked in the most amazing aromatics. Cooked this for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. This is absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we're looking at here is some absolutely wonderful lamb. There's 2 kg, that's just over 4 pounds. There's quite a lot there. I'm using a leg here and it's quite chunky cut. There's very little bone. It's mostly incredibly beautiful meat. Let's season that up. So we're gonna go with salt and pepper. There's about 3 teaspoons of each there. We're gonna go a teaspoon. Let's take a look here. Thyme, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, green cardamom powder. 2 teaspoons each. Coriander, cumin, chili powder. What a lovely combo. We're then going to add 2 cups of sliced onion. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Fresh green chili, I'm adding about 7 and I'm putting them in just whole like that. And 1 cup of oil, I'm using olive oil, in that goes. We now need to get in there and give that a good mix. I'm actually feeling quite excited about this one today. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. If you want, you could shrink wrap that, cling film it or plastic wrap it and put it in the fridge for at least an hour, hour or 2, or you can go straight ahead to the cooker. I'm going to go for a couple of hours in the refrigerator. Okay, so obviously a large pan, because we've got a lot of meat here. And like I say, this has been in the refrigerator now a couple of hours. We're now going to drop it. I'm just loosening it, by the way, from the container. We're going to drop it all in here. We're on a below medium heat. You don't want this high at all. Below medium. And we're going to go for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring fairly often. Got some nice colour on there and it's well on its way, but yeah, still a long way to go. Next up, we're going to add 3 cups of fresh tomato. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. And we're going to go again for maybe 6 or 7 minutes here on this fairly gentle heat. Just cook those fresh tomatoes down first. Give it a stir every now and then, of course. Bloody marvellous this is. So you can see that our tomatoes are cooking down really nicely there and have produced quite a bit of moisture. Now we're going to add some liquid now. I'm using a stock. I'm actually using chicken stock today. You could use a beef stock, a lamb stock, a vegetable stock, or just water if you want. I mean, there's a lot of flavour in there, but I am going with stock. So we're going to go quite a lot of this. It's about 1.5 litres there. So you can see that we've covered that all up. Now, low, nice simmer, low, 1 hour minimum. I think I'm actually going to go for maybe an hour and a half. Okay, off goes the heat. That's an hour and a half, just over actually. Have a look at this. Just have a look at this. Look. Wow, 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 wow. That is so good. You could have gone for 2 hours maybe if you wanted. Look at those bones just showing there. Oh man, that is so good. Check it for salt. It's going to be good for me. If you wanted, get some cilantro or coriander on that, but I'm just going to go just like that. That is amazing. So as you can hear, I'm quite excited about that, and I really am. I'm really excited about this one. That is perfect if you ask me. I mean, perfect. Rice, of course, if you want some roti bread or something like that, if you like. But yeah, that is a good one. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.